there's a civilization of the Moro that started way back 600, 700 years back.
Siyempre, di pa tayo tao. No?
Hindi pa tayo tao
obviously,
noon.
no?
But that civilization had already negotiated, nakipag-trade with China, with the emperors before. And these are the tribe of the Sulu, the Tausug, which is sabi nila the people of the sea or the seafarers, no? Sila yung mga seafarers. So how come that the emperor of Denming dynasty have invited a Sultan Paduka Pahala to China na nagdala to engage with trade relations with that Sultan. So doon pa lang, Attorney Alex, grabe na yung masasabi natin na we are not, hindi tayo mangmang nung nadatnan tayo ng mga Espanyol.